What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. We got a load of different home theater type videos to help you guys make an educated buying decision whenever you're setting up your home theater. Today I'm going to be discussing room conditions. Should you paint your room or should you not paint your room? Should you put up acoustic treatments or not put up acoustic treatments? Today I'm going to cover those topics as well as go over some of the different equipment that you can use to kind of combat that and things that you can do in the room to combat that as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so I am standing in a white room. What? A white room? A white theater? Who would do that? Well anyways, this is 2020 guys, we have solutions for you. You don't necessarily have to paint your theater room black matte finish, and you don't necessarily have to spend $1 million on a screen either. I have solutions for rooms that have ambient light as well as rooms that you may not want to paint. So with projection, it's all about light absorption into the screen, as well as the type of screen that you choose. Obviously, the higher lumen output the projector has, the brighter it's going to be. So that's one of the key things that you want to look at whenever you're looking at projectors, especially in rooms that have ambient light. This particular room is light controlled, but the customer wanted to be able to view with the lights on a little bit. It's nice when you have the buddies over to not sit in the dark. And also, he didn't want to paint the room. So this particular screen is called the Screen Innovation Slate 1.2. The Slate 1.2 is a 65% ALR screen. Basically, the way that this screen works is kind of best described as like blinds. It's allowing the light from the projector to be accepted into the screen, but it's rejecting out the ambient light that's coming this way, as well as this way and that way. So it is giving you a really vibrant, bright image at a pretty reasonable price. So Screen Innovations is definitely one of my top screen manufacturers. You can see the lights can go on and off. So if you don't like the lights, you don't have to order them. I'm gonna leave them on for this video because it seems that a lot of people really like this look. And when you're watching a movie, you can also dim it down really low like this. But anyways, Screen Innovations is a Texas-based company. I really like Screen Innovations. I believe, as well as many other people in the home theater world, that they're one of the top screen manufacturers currently in America. They have a model above this as well. They have the Black Diamond. The Black Diamond is like your Maybach. This is like your AMG. That is a good way to put it if you're looking at comparing Mercedes versus Screen Innovations. They definitely have a couple of the best, and they're really the leader in ALR technology. The Black Diamond material has an 85% ALR versus 65. Now there's different gains as well, so you can do a 1.2 gain in the Slate, or you can do a 1.4 gain in the Black Diamond, which are on the higher side. So if you have a low lumen output projector, like this is a Sony 295, but really all dedicated home theater projectors are pretty low lumen output, like under 2000, like all this, the Sony 295, 695, and the JVC RS1000, 2000, NX5 and 7. So you want to go with a higher gain so that you get more brightness out of the picture. Now, they also make in the Slate a 0.8 and on the Black Diamond a 0.8. So those materials are going to be good for really high lumen output projectors, like over 3000 lumens. Like say if you're going to do a Sony 5000 ES and you really want that picture to pop, with that high lumen output, you're going to go with a lower gain to really maximize contrast. Anyways, this gives you a really bright image in a room that is not what people would consider ideal for home theater. All right guys, well, I wanted to cover room conditions with you as well, but the camera went dead, so, and I'm late to my next appointment, so I need to wrap this up. Anyways, room conditions are very important acoustically to the performance of your audio system. We always recommend that you put up acoustic treatments as well as bass traps to help really optimize the audio so that you're getting the most out of your speakers. Cut back on reverb. Some simple things that you can do though are just like putting in items in the room, as well as carpet, some nice thick plush carpet. Some people ask me, like, can I put in tile or can I put in wood? It's reflective, so just think about the way that the sound waves move in your room. The more echo you have, the more distortion you're gonna have, the more you're really wasting your money on your speakers. So acoustic treatments is something that we recommend, but the reason in our videos you don't see as many in theaters with the acoustic treatments is just because people focus on the equipment first, and the equipment is a large expense, so a lot of people end up adding in the acoustic treatments after the fact. On some of our higher end theaters, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and up, $1,000, you'll see that we do acoustic treatments. But on the entry level packages, it a lot of the time isn't a concern for the customer. They tell us they're going to add it in later. But you can see we have solutions for rooms that are not ideal, like that room that we just left. The room being painted white and him wanting ambient light in the room is not what most home theater enthusiasts would say is ideal, but the image was mind-blowing. So with the right equipment, you can accomplish the same effect, essentially. So if you guys have a particular room that you would like us to help you with, send us over some pictures, send us your info and budget, and we would be happy to create a system design for you and get you that nationwide free shipping and low price guarantee on every item. And we have a very extensive installer network that we're working on building up. Because of support like people from you on YouTube, we're able to continue to grow the brand and grow into other territories. So we really appreciate your support. If you are not one of our subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.